sama nggak tes dulu. Jadi untuk inci di tampil dengan inci di toren dengan poju ini, trauma dengan teknik gaming, teknologi di sama ya penyeron nawa.
Anytime. Internet. Today blind and neck student go in a wrong way. But in the process of classroom teacher, it is straightforward. And so the teacher are more educated and experienced than the teacher. Hence, internet cannot replace classroom teacher.
If the world without internet access, do you think we are up? Oh.
Yes, I think we'll upgrade.
And why?
Because if we have to upgrade, then we can't want internet. We also upgrade by system. System will change the internet can't change that.
Okay.
Due to this internet, we have spent 2 years of lockdown period very comfortably and able to continue our classes from online. So, all my friends who are going against internet should be thankful and feel privileged for saving your 2 years of lockdown period going in well. Lastly, I would like to finish my speech by saying that never rely only on textbook knowledge. So try to explore the internet and widen your knowledge. I would like to thank my teachers who gave me this great opportunity. Thank you to all.
If you would have listened my speech, I've used the words morality and ethics. Do you think a person without ethics will create a better world?
Or by using internet at any given point of time. I'm sure morality and ethics that you said just now might have their own value, more important. Without internet, there cannot be better either.
Choga from class 7 will speak for the motion on topic. Internet cannot replace the classroom teacher. Please, Choga.
For the motions. Classrooms are the most powerful space that exist in the world today. This leave a long-lasting impact on the mind of individuals as we moved in a more robust and technologically oriented world. The dilemma of morality, ethics, and life is fast increasing and no internet can answer these questions. Thus, the topic that internet can't replace a classroom teachers. I would like to thank my teachers for giving me such great opportunity. Thank you all.
Our question. In your topic, you said internet is not important than classroom teacher. Can you please elaborate?
Internet cannot replace a classroom teachers. It's come at the most appropriate time and I think in it.
Good evening to all, respected headmaster and principal sir and teachers and all of my dear friends. Today I share with of class 7 who would like to speak against the motion. Internet can't replace the classroom teacher. In today's fast moving world where technology has taken over our life in all ways possible, the modern day teaches the internet, not a person teaching in the class. The view that
here are students who always reward, I mean involved only in YouTube, watching videos and movies, rather than watching their subject related. Against what we can say about it.
It totally depends on students. They should work and they should work of their self to work hard to study.
My views on social media. I will speak in flavor of the moisture. That social media is being used to make disaffection in the society. My first question to the experts is, what do they think about the social media, like Facebook, Twitter, etc.? Is it helpful to the teenagers or addicting them to wasting their time?
Why do you consider social media is not important in today's world?
Good for us because children who spend more time on online social media affect their eyes and their mental health, and they neglect their studies.
I, Lawson Singh of Class 6A, have chosen to share some views in against of the motion on topic. Social media is being used to create disaffection in society. Social media are referred to as the advanced online platforms which help people to come and connect together. Nowadays, it has become a great medium to share and start relationships between two and more individuals. Apart from this, the social media genre has availed people quick access to precise and fundamental data. As we have seen, the schools have their own websites on which they provide academic information about the school's regulations, rules, department, environment, and so on.
Good evening everyone. My first question is, there are many people with use social media. Do you think it all are good?
Good evening, most honorable judges and respected teachers, my worthy fellow opponents and dear friends. I, Technology of Class 6B, stand before you to argue against the motion on topic such as Facebook and Twitter, etc. can help you to express your ideas and views on any type of topic. We, students as well as pros in different fields, can share our views with people who have similar interests and can ask the data about their opponents on a specific topic. Social media allows us to be more engaged with people we already know. From my own experience, I know that the relationships I have built with other people have only been stronger because of social media, by allowing me the ability to keep up with their lives regardless if I am able to see them in person.
Social media is being used to create disaffection in society. There is no denying the fact that social media has affected almost each and every aspect of our life. Family ties and linkage are no expression. Before the advent of the social,
how can social media affect almost each and every aspect of our life?
Every part of our life, because it wastes our time and we do not pour our time in a limit time. Respected teachers, my worthy fellow opponents and friends, I, Sonam Joshi of Class 5A, standing here to express my views on social media. I will speak against the motion that social media being used to create disaffection in society. Dear friends, is social networking not a new advancement in technology? Does it not make the world more open and connected? My worthy opponent might have forgotten to see the aspects of e-media growth of social media. Social media, particularly Facebook, has direct interaction with people all over the world. It helps us stay connected to friends and families in today's fast and ever-changing world. It is a great commercial viability as it is an invaluable promotion tool. Besides, companies, artists, writers and musicians can reach a diverse amount of people using social media sites. Breaking news and other information can spread like wildfire on social media sites. The most important advantage of social media is to share our achievements and talent with the world. Maybe social media like Facebook, Twitter, X has some drawbacks, but on the whole, in today's world, it is a great impact of education and the society as well. Lastly, I will say this.
What are the most important advantage of social media?
The most important advantage of social media is to share our achievements, talents, and other many important information. Thank you.
The level of affecting according to research seems to go up as the usually go up. The level of content can increase and the chance of your getting into trouble or being depression can increase. All those teenagers who use social network tend to be more antisocial and aggressive. Cyberbullying is also a major problem and can lead to the victims experience depression. Cyberbullying has also been the cause of many suicides in young people. It is bad enough that there are adolescents who are victims of negative comments by friends, but many of victims by strangers as well. Many young online users are online sexual predators because of the adolescents and their parents being concrete and avoid the.
Nowadays, why the people was telling that celebration can cause of many suicide in young people?
Because they get in depression and they did not pay the money, so they will suicide.
Good evening, honorable judges, respected teachers, my fellow opponents and friends. I, Nizin Pasam of class 5B, standing here to express my views on social media. I will speak against the motion that social media is being used to create disaffection in society. Social media is a platform for sharing ideas, information and point of view. These can have important educational value. It extends the information young people can access while also giving them insight how others think about and use that information. For those children who feel marginalized in their local community, social media help them connect with other people who share the same interest or outlook on life. In some cases, teenagers with a critical problem can turn to social network for fast support guidance. There are plenty of groups that offer such help online. Social media is also an important platform for driving social issues such as racial issues to gather national, international attention. In recent years, social media and especially Twitter have emerged as important near real-time communication channels, technologies during emergency response. Social media consists of tools that enable an open exchange of information through conversations, interactions, and exchange of user-generated connect. Thank you.